Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the focus that will drive your iPad home screen. Open Settings, tap Focus, and press the plus sign to add a new profile. Pick Custom and give it a clear name so you recognize it later. Once done, select which people and apps can notify you. This matters because notifications influence what you want visible. Also, make sure to toggle share across devices if you want the same behavior on iPhone or Mac. This keeps home screens consistent across your Apple ID. Now assign a dedicated home screen page to the focus so the right apps and widgets appear. Long press your iPad home screen, tap the page dots, then create or pick a page arranged with the widgets and app icons you want for this focus. Once arranged, return to Settings Focus, choose your focus, and under Home Screen, select the page you just prepared. This links the layout to the focus. When you enable it, the iPad shows only that page to reduce distractions and surface relevant tools. Finish by activating and testing the focus. Open Control Center and tap the focus, or set a schedule or automation so it switches automatically. Once enabled, your iPad should jump to the linked home screen page. This is how focus enforces a single intentional layout. If it doesn't switch, restart the iPad and reopen Settings Focus to relink the page. Also confirm share across devices is consistent. One key troubleshooting tip: check that the chosen page isn't hidden in the page selector. Unhide it if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.